Hi there, I'm Mochi. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove eye makeups using reusable pads. That's right, no more disposable ones, and I'm a big fan of it. I'll use my mom to demo it. Alright, here we go. So these are disposable pads that my mom has been using, and they're really good. I mean, they're convenient. You can just, use them and throw them away after they get dirty. But think about how much waste it would create, right? Like one person, 2 pads a day, 365 days a year. That's a lot. So instead of using these disposable ones, my mom switched to these reusable cotton ones. They're really soft, very gentle to your skin, and the best thing is that they remove makeup so easily, and it's so easy to clean them. And I'll show you guys how in a little bit. And usually she would use this along with the Bioderma Masala water, which is really good for removing makeup and sunscreen. And these are bamboo cotton reusable pads. They're really soft and gentle on the skin. My mom really likes to use them to remove her eye makeups. And this is the jojoba oil that my mom got from Trader Joe's. These are really effective yet very affordable. One bottle, I think it's around $5-6, and it lasts for months. And the best thing is they're so effective and gentle on the eye area. And so, just a few drops and you can remove all the stubborn eye makeups really easily and pair it with the soft bamboo cotton pads. Even though these disposable ones seem really convenient to use, but imagine if one person uses it every day, 2 pads for 365 days, a million people are using it. How much plastic, how much waste this will create. And I know at first switching from disposable ones to reusable ones might seem inconvenient because you have to clean them after every use. But trust me, this is just a small habit building, and it really doesn't take much time to clean the reusable ones. And this small change of habit and effort can really make a positive impact on our environment if more people are doing the same thing by reducing waste and start switching to reusable pads. To remove eye makeup, simply put a few drops of jojoba oils onto your fingers and gently rub it around your eye area. Pay attention to the lashes and eyelids and use the reusable pad to gently wipe and dab onto the eyelids. And there you go. Look at how dirty it is and how clean my eye looks. To remove sunscreen and foundation from your face, simply put a few drops of the masala water onto the reusable pad and gently wipe and dab onto your face. And you can also use the reverse side if needed. Cleaning the reusable pads is super easy. All you need is water and a bar soap. Just about any kind of bar soap will do. You just rub it on both sides and rinse them really well. And voila, all done, all cleaned and super soft after being washed. And there you have it. And I got this little bag from Daiso where I put all my reusable pads in there once they dried up. and it comes in really handy. And the wet one, you just hang them like that and let them air dry. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope that we can reduce waste one pad at a time. And I'll link the products in the descriptions below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.